channel. Today is day 15 of my 24 days of DIY. So for today's video, I was perusing Anthropologie's website, like I frequently do. I love Anthropologie, I love their style, but I feel like a lot of their things, especially like home decor, you can DIY for less. And I came across these cute little felt pom-pom coasters. So I saw this picture and I thought, those are so cute. And I already have the materials, so we're gonna make those. So I actually bought my felt pom-poms from AliExpress. So it took a little bit of time to come, but I will leave a link down below of an Etsy shop that I found that I think the prices are really good on them, and they have so many different color options, so I will leave that one linked down below. So that's what today's video is. We're going to make these cute little pom-pom coasters, but also I'm going to throw in an alternative coaster option. If you don't want to buy these felt pom-poms, we're going to do another one with just some ropes. That'll be a cheaper option and also really cute. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my phone pulled up with the picture so that I can kind of reference it. An X and an O, kind of a Valentine's Day thing, which is super cute. So I feel like if you're into like giving Valentine's Day presents, like this would be such a good one for, I feel like for like a mother-in-law or just some girlfriends, just cute little X and O coasters. So it fits in with like my winter DIY themed. So I think I'm gonna make some of each because I have enough pom-poms for it. I actually have more of these upstairs too. I've tried sewing these felt balls into different shapes, like a little arch shape, and it's honestly kind of hard and takes a long time to do. Maybe I just like don't know the right way to do it, but that's why I think I'm just gonna stick with a glue gun because I feel like that's what DIYers do. We just kind of use hot glue for everything. So I'm hoping it'll be okay and that if I put like a hot pan on the coaster, it won't like melt the glue and this will come unraveled. I guess we'll see, but I think we'll be okay. But if you want to make it like super secure, you can go ahead and try to sew all the balls together. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of pick out my pattern with my different colors. The Anthropologie ones were all just like one color, which is cute, but I don't know, I might add a few different colors in just for fun. Okay, so size-wise, I guess I could just kind of come up with whatever size I want, but I'm gonna look at the picture and just kind of see how big theirs are just by kind of counting the felt balls around here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them and start forming my little circles. So I'm going to start with one in the center and then I'm going to put 6 around that. So it goes 1, then 6, then the next row is 12, and then 18, and then 24. And I'm gonna work from the inside out. So first I'm just gonna lay out one center felt ball and then put 6 around that and glue those together. All right, now I'm just going to repeat that for the next layers. Ah, look how cute that is. I love it. That's so fun. Kind of an awkward angle, me bending down like this. But I just laid out the X pattern and it's 3 rows of 9. So 9, 9, 9, and then going this way, 9, 9, 9 to make a cute little X. Now I'm just gonna glue those down. And I think for this, I'm gonna glue them all in lines first and then glue the lines together. Okay, I'm sorry. Is that not the cutest thing? I love that so much. I feel like this is such a cute like DIY Valentine's Day gift. Like tie a little bow around this and then you have 2 little cute pot holders. So stinking cute. Yay! Okay, so this was the felt ball DIY, and now I'm going to show one more really quickly with just rope. Okay, so I have just this cotton twine rope, and I saw a DIY. I'll try to find it and I'll link it down below to give credit for this. But we're going to make, you can make these into like placemats or another like pot holder type thing, a trivet Is that what they're called? But the good thing about rope is you can make any design that you want to. So I'm going to make a cute little rainbow, I think. So I think it'd be cute to have cute little rainbow placemats, or yeah, just another pot holder. But what I'm going to do is just cut my rope. I actually have some pieces already cut. But basically I'm going to cut a piece of rope, fold it in half, and I'm gonna hot glue this straight in half like this, so it just makes a line. And then I'm just going to keep cutting pieces of rope the same length and just add them on like this, and keep adding it on until it makes a big enough rainbow, however big I want it. And then at the end I'll trim the end so it's all the same size. So we're gonna start with this little one, add some hot glue, just like that. All right, so I'm putting my last arch on my rainbow. Cute! Okay, so yeah, the bottom needs a little trim, so I'm gonna go get my scissors. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it as straight as possible. Okay, I just used my finger to fray the edges a little bit after I cut. But that's so cute! Yay, I love it! Yay, I'm very excited that I now have some cute little pot holders for the times when I actually cook. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And be sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!